So this is the scientific investigation of salt and boiling water, and it's by me, Mrs. Lathrop. For this scientific investigation, I will use a beaker. Oh, hold up. No, that doesn't work. Let's try again. For this scientific investigation, I will use a beaker, salt, water, stove, and a stopwatch. First, I will add 400 milliliters of water to the beaker and I'll place it on the stove. Next, I'm going to record how long it takes the water to boil. I'll repeat this procedure 2 more times, with the beaker, the water, the stove, and the stopwatch, waiting for it to boil. And then, in the second part of my experiment, I'm going to add 400 milliliters of water to the beaker, plus 20 grams of salt, plus I will stir it. Then, I'll place the beaker on the stove and I'll record how long it takes for the water to boil. That's boiling water, in case you were wondering. I'll repeat this procedure 2 more times of the beaker, the salt, the water, the stove, and the stopwatch. I'll record my data. Now here are my follow-up questions for you. First of all, question number 1. What question was I trying to investigate? Okay. So, question number 2. What were my independent and dependent variables for this experiment? Alright, tell you what, we'll bring this guy back because I know he's really wanting to come back and hang out with y'all. Alright, see ya.